Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a crochet daisy. For this, the materials you're going to need are double knit wool in purple and yellow, scissors and a 4mm hook. We'll start off by making the centre. Using yellow wool for round 1, you'll do 6 single crochets into a magic ring. Then for round 2, you'll do 6 increases, slip stitch and then fasten off. Moving on to making the petals. So using purple wool for round 3, you'll fasten it to the centre and then chain 4. And then you'll do 1 triple crochet into the same stitch, chain 4, slip stitch into the same stitch again. Then you'll do a single crochet in the next stitch along, then chain 3, 1 triple crochet, chain 4 and then slip stitch. And you'll repeat this until the end. Then you'll slip stitch the final chain 4, fasten off and then tidy up the loose ends. And now you're all finished. So thank you for watching and please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel as I'll be uploading new crochet tutorials every single week.